Ever wonder why your bank account never seems to grow? You work hard, earn money, but it feels like you're stuck in a financial rut. Trust me, I've been there, wondering how to turn things around. That's why I'm here to help you guys out. Today, I'm revealing the 3 financial mistakes that are secretly keeping you broke. I'm talking about the stuff no one really tells you, the things that could be holding you back without you even realizing it. Stick around till the end for a secret tip that could change your financial future. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on money-saving secrets. Let's see if you're making any of these mistakes. This first one's a classic, but for a good reason. Living beyond your means is like trying to stuff 10 pounds of potatoes in a 5-pound bag. It's just not going to work long-term. You're spending more than you're earning, and that's a recipe for disaster. It starts subtly. You tell yourself, I deserve this fancy coffee, or I need the latest phone. Next thing you know, you're drowning in credit card debt, paying crazy interest rates and feeling trapped. It's like a monster that just keeps growing. And don't even get me started on impulse purchases. Those add to cart buttons are designed to make you spend without thinking. Before you know it, your hard-earned cash is gone, and you're left wondering where it all went. The solution? Budgeting. I know, it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's a game changer. Figure out where your money is going each month. Track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and create a plan that works for you. Think of it like a challenge. How much can you save each month by making small changes? Can you pack your lunch instead of eating out? Can you find a cheaper phone plan? Every little bit adds up and it's way more satisfying than racking up debt. Alright, let's talk about the future. Imagine this. Your car breaks down, you have an unexpected medical expense, or your dream vacation opportunity pops up. Are you prepared? If you don't have an emergency fund, those unexpected events can turn into major financial setbacks. It's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. One wrong step, and you're in trouble. But saving isn't just about preparing for the worst-case scenario. It's also about building wealth over time. And that's where investing comes in. Think of it like planting a money tree. The sooner you plant it, the more time it has to grow and bear fruit. That's compound interest. Compound interest is like magic. It's basically earning interest on your interest, and it's the key to growing your wealth exponentially. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the more you benefit in the long run. But here's the thing, you can invest if you're living paycheck to paycheck. That's why saving is crucial. Start small, automate your savings, and gradually increase the amount over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will benefit you in the long term. Now here's the truth. No one's going to hand you a financial playbook when you graduate high school or land your first job. It's up to you to take control of your financial future, and that, honestly, starts with education. There are tons of resources available. Books, podcasts, websites, financial advisors, you name it. The information is out there, but you have to be willing to seek it out. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Talk to people you trust, consult with financial experts, and educate yourself on the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that align with your goals. And here's another crucial point. Track your expenses. It's kind of like keeping score in a game. You need to know where you stand to make progress. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a good old-fashioned notebook to monitor your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop seeking ways to improve your financial well-being. Now here's your secret tip. One underestimated strategy is negotiating your bills and expenses. Many people don't realize they can lower their monthly costs by calling service providers like internet, insurance, or phone companies and asking for better rates. Providers often have discounts or loyalty programs they don't advertise. A 15-minute call could save you hundreds annually, and it's money you can redirect toward your financial goals. So there you have it. The 3 financial mistakes that could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Did you spot any mistakes you're making? Let me know in the comments. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, not a race. Start small, stay consistent, and never underestimate the power of knowledge. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your financial life. Thanks for watching.